Hi, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw cash from OnePay at Walmart. So, in order to do it safely and quickly, before heading out, open the OnePay app and confirm your available balance. Make sure there's enough money loaded onto your card, including any small withdrawals fee that may apply. Now, head over to your nearest Walmart MoneyCenter or service desk. These counters handle OnePay, debit, and prepaid card cash services. You can find your closest location by searching Walmart MoneyCenter near me on Google Maps. If you're making any purchase, simply ask for cashback at the register. When you pay with your OnePay card, select debit, enter your PIN, and choose the amount you want to withdraw. The cashier will handle you the cash immediately. You can also use your OnePay card at Walmart ATMs, so insert your card, enter your PIN, and select withdrawal. Then choose checking or savings depending on your card type. The ATM will dispense the cash right away. After withdrawal, open your OnePay app to view the transaction details. It will show the exact amount withdrawn and any applicable fee. And that's it. Withdrawing cash from your OnePay card at Walmart is fast, secure, and works just like a standard debit card transaction. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.